Welcome to Aura, your personal music companion designed to monitor your emotions and generate music for your moods. Aura uses your computer webcam to categorize your facial expressions as either happy or sad, then uses a neural network to generate calm music reflective of your emotional state. This music is also customizable, giving you control over the machine-generated melody. Your moods, your music. Aura gives you complete control over the music generated, allowing you to accentuate your current emotional state through a curated ambient music piece. Studies have shown that listening to music can directly have a massive impact on your mood. For example, upbeat and happier music can increase the release of reward neurotransmitters such as dopamine. However, listeners who are already in a sad mood typically find it more comforting to listen to sadder music, as it mirrors their current circumstances, giving them a sense of security. In these cases, music therapy can be used to reduce the effects of depression and anxiety, and can help improve one's mood, self-esteem, and quality of life. During the days of social distancing and remote learning, it is easy to spend hours staring at a computer screen without considering how your mental health could be deteriorating. Now more than ever, there is a huge need for easy ways to improve your daily mood, which we have fulfilled with Aura. Through providing ambient tunes to boost your mood using concepts seen in music therapy, we are confident that Aura is an easy way to take a step towards a healthier quarantine lifestyle. We used a lot of tools in building Aura. Our entire website was built in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with a Node.js backend and was hosted on Replit. First off, we worked to detect emotion and facial expressions. After struggling with the Google Vision API for a bit, we found Face API. Face API allows us to process a video and analyze the emotions of any face in the video. Using this feature, we were able to extract emotion from a video of the user and use it to play music. Now, for the music generation, we knew we wanted to use a long short-term memory or LSTM neural network. These networks are super important for music generation as they allow the network to connect previous notes to their decision for what the next note should be. Looking deeper into this, we found the Magenta.js library developed by Google Brain. Upon further research, we found that Magenta takes advantage of latent spaces in their models, transforming high-dimensional data down into lower dimensions without loss of realism, thus allowing for more realistic and melodic samples. We implemented Magenta's Improv RNN, training it to improvise on chord progressions. After some research, we found that major 7th chords are considered the happiest chords, so we allowed the happy and neutral networks to interpolate off major 7th chords, while the sad network interpolated off of minor 7th chords. To play the generated sequences, we implemented a Tone.js sampler which would play acoustic guitar for happy, piano for neutral, and metallophone for sad. We also implemented various Tone.js players to allow for optional background noises such as nature sounds and drums. For the analytics, we stored daily and weekly emotion data in the Windows local storage and displayed them in graphs and a donut chart using chart.js. Here's our demo. Upon first opening the app, you can see the instructions appear on screen. Clicking to home, you arrive at the main interface. As you can see, as I smile, my mood changes from neutral to happy and the background gradient color changes as well. After pressing play, the ambient noises start and the neural network begins generating notes. The network will continue generating notes until I pause the player or exit the screen. From here, I can toggle the ambient noises on or off, as well as the camera. I can also tell the music generation what emotion I want to generate instead of using my face, in case Face API's classification isn't perfect. After listening to the music a bit, we can move over to the analytics page to see a summary of all the previous emotions logged on the site, both by day and by week. One major issue we ran into was organizational. We tried to compartmentalize code so that the face recognition, music generation, and analytics were all separate so that we could have an easier time developing the code. However, this also meant that transferring data between files was a huge struggle. To solve this issue, especially for transferring data onto the analytics page, we implemented local storage for the emotion values as well as for the analytics summaries. Another challenge was finding samples for the Tone.js players which matched the emotions which we wanted to play and had a wide enough range to be melodic and pleasant. We're super proud of our work on Aura. None of us had ever implemented a live webcam view before, much less performed analysis on the faces within the picture. It was really fun getting to make various faces test the emotion generation and see them reflected back at us. We are immensely proud of the environment we created with Aura, which we believe produces truly calming and energizing melodies and harmonies to comfort the user in times of need. As a further project, we could implement the disgust, surprise, and fear emotions also included in the Face API. Another possible track we could take is using non-binary classifications where the AI differentiates between very happy and only slightly happy. Thanks for watching!